Next, we're going to talk about athletics and the transition to college athletics from high school sports. I did not go to college, so I personally cannot tell you what that's like. But I have a son that did, and I've met many parents that have played college sports. And when I asked them what the biggest and most difficult transition for them going from high school to college is, that it was a full-time, year-round job. There is no off-season. Now, we're talking specifically NCAA Division I and Division II schools, but don't rule out Division III and NAIA programs as well. Because guess how college coaches earn their living? Coaching. Guess how they continue to coach every year? By winning. And how do you think they win year in and year out? Get the best recruits they can. Okay? So, if a college coach offers you or your son or daughter an athletic scholarship to play at their school, they're making a tremendous investment in you or your child. And they are going to expect a return on that investment, and that investment is going to be your time. So, time management is the number one answer when you ask former college athletes what was the most difficult thing. Time management. Yeah, you still got to go to class. And guess what? You don't have mom to come up and get you if you hit the snooze button on the alarm clock 15 times. Doesn't happen. Okay?